Good morning, everybody. It's Dhaval. I'm over here at the Toronto Pearson Airport and getting ready to catch my flight on Porter Airlines. Flying out of here from Toronto Pearson Airport to Los Angeles, and just had a quick 4-day getaway and just wanted to check out Toronto. I think I'd been here a long time ago, but I wanted to see how this place compared to Vancouver, and as much of a great city as Toronto is, I still kind of dug Vancouver a little bit more. I think mainly it's just a little bit more scenic and a lot more natural beauty. Not to say that Toronto doesn't have some, but you know, over by Vancouver and such, you have like the mountains and the ocean and all that good stuff. But anyway, it's a busy day here as I'm kind of walking through the terminal here, and I'm taking Porter Airlines to Los Angeles, and let me just show you, in case you haven't seen this, but this is my flight here, and way down there is the airline I'm going to be taking, and you can see if you look outside, it's just a really, really bitterly cold day out here in Toronto. So I'm looking forward to getting back to sunny California and getting back to work and everything here soon. So hope everybody enjoyed my my videos that I shot, and I will be checking in with you guys later. So yeah, so but just on a recap, if you haven't been to Toronto before, I do really recommend it. There's a lot of cool places, a lot of great restaurants to check out, and if you have US dollars, they certainly stretch further, so it may be worth taking a trip to Toronto, say over New York City or Chicago or San Francisco or something like that. So anyway, I'm going to be heading back to my gate. So all right, well, this is Dhaval signing off here from Toronto Pearson Airport, heading back to LAX, Los Angeles, and I will check in with all you guys soon. And here's just a shot of like the terminal here and whatnot. And all right, take care, guys. Bye.